Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Ionos email. It's actually a very straightforward process. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged in, come here and click on menu, and then just click on email. Now it will redirect you to this page where you need to scroll down, and if you haven't created an email address yet, you'll get this option to create an email address. So as you can see, this is my domain, and if you have more domains, they'll actually show up here. So I'll use this domain, click on create an email address, okay? And then what I want you to do is just choose the type. So it depends on the plan you have. You can go ahead and choose these, but mine supports this one. I can click on create, or you can set up one just for email forwarding. I'll do the mail basic 2 GB, click on create. Of course, you can choose these plans, make the purchase. And now you need to enter the first or last name for your email. Okay, this is our available domain we'll be using. So this one will be williamhunter@answeracp.co.uk. Of course, you can select other available domains, right? You can go ahead and search for one and get that. I'll just go back and use this one and then just enter your password. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and forward emails, okay, to the following email address. So you can add your forwarding targets. They give you 10, right, to use. And if you want to add security, you can go ahead and toggle these one on. They have extra charges. And then, of course, you can go ahead and do the AI one as well. This one also has extra charges. But all you need to do is just enter the email right here, the first string, your password, and then just save this, right? And once we do that, it will actually redirect us right here, as you can see. And then you should be at this page. We have our email address created and we can begin using this, right? Just use your login details. And you can go ahead and also scroll down, see all of the settings you can set up using the email server information as well. But that is how to set up Ionos email.